Hello students, now we are going to discuss the application of inductive effect. Already we have discussed that inductive effect is a permanent effect of formation of partially positive and negative charge on the bonded atom due to difference in electronegativity between the bonded atoms, and on the basis of the nature of the group, whether it is electron attracting or electron releasing, on that basis the inductive effect are two types, that is plus effect and minus effect. Already we have discussed. Then due to this displacement of electron, due to difference in electronegativity, how the properties of the organic compound changes, let us discuss. First application of inductive effect is polarity. Generally, polarity is directly proportional to inductive effect. That means if inductive effect is more, the polarity of the bond will be, generally we are concentrating the nature of bond, the polarity of bond. We are not discussing the nature of molecule. Bond may be polar but the molecule may be non-polar. That depends upon dipole moment, already we have read. But we are discussing only that polarity if there is particular bonds available, and the polarity of bond mainly depends on inductive effect. It is directly proportional. For example, the polarity CH3F is more polar than CH3Cl, more polar than CH3Br, more polar than CH3I, because fluorine is more electronegativity. As the fluorine is more electronegativity, this bonded electron attracted by fluorine is greater force. The affinity to attract this bonded electron by fluorine is more than chlorine, bromine, iodine. That's why fluorine carry more partially negative charge compared to chlorine, bromine and iodine. That's why CH3F is more polar than CH3Cl, like this. Other examples, alcohol is more polar than amine. This is due to more minus I effect. We can say here oxygen is more electronegativity, or electronegativity of oxygen is greater than nitrogen. That's why CO bond is more polar than CN bond. So this is the very, just we are discussing related to inductive effect, but we will discuss in other types of electronic effect that this property may be differ, but some deviation, some anomalous property we will discuss after completion of other electronic effect. But we are now concentrating what is the application of only inductive effect. No deviation we are discussing. So this is the, if polarity is more, if inductive effect is more, polarity is more. So this is regarding the polarity of what? Bonds. Then second is bond length. Generally bond length with inductive effect is inversely. Greater the inductive effect, smaller will be the bond length. This is very important, because due to the inductive effect, the ionic character of the bond increases due to formation of partially positive negative charge in between two bonded atoms. So the bond becomes more ionic character. As the bond is more ionic character, then attraction between opposite charge ions will be more, because partially positive, partially negative charge is formed. That's why inductive effect is generally decreases the bond length. For example, same thing you can take CH3F is smaller than CH3Cl, smaller than CH3Br, smaller than CH3I. If you see the inductive effect, CF inductive effect is greater. The inductive effect is more means then the partially negative charge and partially positive charge formation will be more. Ionic character is more. If ionic character is more, then bond length will be decreased. So this is a very important application, that effect of indot effect. When indot effect is more, bond length between the bonded atoms will be less. So this is regarding bond length and polarity. Then very important third application is related to the acidic nature. Acidic nature. Acidic nature depends, we will explain only by two things, that is plus I effect and minus I effect. Here how the plus I effect changes the acidic character and how minus I effect changes the acidic character, we will discuss this thing. Acidic character mainly the substance behave acid when it loses H plus ion. But we have to think, if the loss of H plus will be faster, acidic character will be more. If loss of H plus will be slower, then automatically acidic character will be less. So we have to see this. Let us consider a carboxylic acid related to carboxylic acid. If we discuss the carboxylic acid, for you suppose you take one carboxylic acid, suppose CS2C. This is your carboxylic acid having fluorine attached. Another here fluorine attached. These both are acidic due to this acidic group. As the group is acidic character because it loses H plus ion, that's why it is acidic. But we will compare which is more acidic, which is less acidic. For example, here fluorine is what type of effect? Fluorine is a minus I effect. It is attractive. Minus I. And chlorine also minus I effect. Both are minus I effect. But if you compare the minus I effect, that is electron withdrawing nature, fluorine is greater than chlorine. Minus I effect. If you see, already we discussed the comparison. Fluorine has more electron withdrawing nature than chlorine, as it has more electronegativity. As fluorine is attracting the electron from carbon due to inductive effect, and this bond also polar, and this bonded electron shifted toward this, and automatically this bonded electron also shifted towards carbon. So if fluorine is attracting, then the oxygen, electron of oxygen will be shifted toward the carbon and towards fluorine. So the electron density on the oxygen attached to hydrogen is less, because the electron of oxygen electron is taken by the carbon, carbon electron taken by next carbon, the carbon last carbon electron taken by the fluorine. As the electron is the one that the electron on oxygen is shifted towards fluorine due to minus effect. If electron is shifted towards fluorine, then H plus can easily release. H plus, what happens? H plus can be easily released because fluorine is attracting the bonded electron. That's why the electron density on oxygen is less. As electron density is less, so H plus can easily release. That's why this fluoroacetic acid is more acidic acid than chloroacetic acid due to more minus effect. So minus effect, what happens in case of carboxylic acid? If minus effecting group is there, then it is also minus effect, and it is also minus effect. Both case is minus effect, but here minus effect is more. So electron density on oxygen is less. If electron density is less, H plus can easily release. That's why fluoroacetic acid is more acidic than chloroacetic acid. Similarly, that this is the regarding minus effect. If you compare with acetic acid, this is acetic acid, this is formic acid. If you compare this one, here what happens? Only difference is it has no plus effect or minus effect, but here it is plus effect. This is called plus effect. Here what happens? Here methyl has plus effect, but hydrogen has no plus effect. Here plus effect means electron is shifted towards carbon, and the electron density on oxygen is increasing due to plus effect, because the electron is supplied by methyl group. That's why electron density on oxygen increasing. As electron density oxygen is increasing, so H plus will be tightly bonded by oxygen, because the electron density on oxygen is more. That's why H plus cannot be easily released. That's why it is less acidic than formic acid. This is acetic acid, this is formic acid. So plus effect decreases acidic character. Here already discussed, minus effect increases acidic character. What are the other example you can tell this thing? That benzoic acid, sublated to benzoic acid. Benzoic acid is more acidic than acetic acid. Benzoic acid is more acidic than acetic acid because it has minus effect. It has minus, because phenyl group has minus effect and it has plus effect. Methyl group has plus effect, it has minus effect. So as it has phenyl group minus effect, acidic character is more than acetic acid. So this is the, then if you take only acetic acid, benzoic acid, if you take, suppose this is your benzoic acid and this is one, that is 4, if you count, that is 4 methyl benzoic acid, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 methyl benzoic acid and benzoic acid compare, it has plus effect. It has plus effect, that is methyl group. Plus effect means it supply electron. Plus effect means it donate electron. So electron density around oxygen will move. So benzoic acid is more acidic than which one? 4 methyl benzoic acid. So similarly, if you take phenol, this is the phenol. Phenol is less acidic than nitrophenol. Phenol is less acidic than nitrophenol because nitrophenol has minus effect. Nitro group is a minus effect in group, it will attract towards nitro group. So depends upon the effect. If the group has minus effect, then acidic character will be more. If group has plus effect, then acidic character will be less. So this is regarding plus effect and minus effect. Other examples are, if you compare the acidic character for examples, so this is H triple bond CH, then CH2 double bond CH2, then CH3 single bond CH3. Here we compare the acidic character. If you see the hybridization, it has sp character, it has sp2 character, it has sp3 character. Already you know, already we have discussed earlier that more S character, more electronegativity. If S character of the carbon atom is more, that electronegativity character is more. As this carbon has more electronegativity compared to double bond and single bond, so acetylene is more acidic than ethylene than ethane, because more S character, more electronegativity. If electronegativity is more, acidic character, because same CH bond, both having CH bond, but why one is more acidic, other is less acidic? Because this carbon has more S character. As S character is more, electronegativity is more. Electronegativity more means H plus can easily release. That's why this acetylene is more acidic than ethene than ethane. If you take same plus same type of effect, for example, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, Cl, COH, then second CH3, CH2, CH, Cl, then CH2, COH, having same carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here only difference you see. Here this is a minus effect. It is also minus I effect. Both having minus I character. But only difference is H plus is released from acid. It has acid group. It has also acid group. Both are releasing H plus. But as the minus I effect in group is very close to acid group, so minus I effect is more effective. The minus I character of chlorine is more effective towards acid group. As it has one carbon more distance. As the distance is increasing, then attraction decreasing. If attraction is decreasing, then acidic character will be acidic character decreases. So, as it is very close to acid group, that's why it is more acidic. This compound is more acidic than the second compound. So, this is the regarding acidic character of that organic compounds, generally carboxylic acids, and also phenol we have discussed. For example, so another example you can take that alcohol. Alcohol is less acidic than water because alcohol has plus effect. It has plus effect. That's why acidic character. Similarly, tertiary alcohol is less acidic than secondary alcohol. Secondary alcohol again less acidic than primary alcohol. So it has plus effect is more. If plus effect is more, then because clear, if plus effect is more, then acidic character is less. So tertiary alcohol is least acidic than this is tertiary, this is secondary, this is primary. This is the order of acidic character because more plus effect, less acidic character, more minus effect, more acidic character. So this is regarding. But if you compare that, for example, if you compare this compound CS2 NO2 attached to COO and CS2 attached to chlorine and COH. Here if you compare, already we have discussed that the comparison of different minus effect and different plus effect. As nitro group minus effect of nitro is greater than fluorine, already we have discussed. So more minus effect, it has also minus effect, it has also minus effect. But which is more minus effect? Already we have discussed the priority order. So nitro group has more minus effect than chloro group. That's why acidic character is more. So this is regarding acidic character of plus I and minus I. Already now you can write the conclusion. What is the conclusion? What we can write? The conclusion is that you can write this one, very important. Plus I effect decreases acidic character. Plus I effect decreases acidic nature and minus I effect increases the acidic nature. So this is very important conclusion. Plus I effect decreases acidic character, minus I effect increases acidic character. So this is a very two important conclusion regarding acidic character, plus I effect and minus I effect. Then we will discuss now that basic nature. So basic nature of organic compounds. Same thing. Basic nature means here you have discussed that is plus I effect and minus I effect. Basic character means if the atom having more electron density, then it has more tendency to accept H plus I. Or if electron density is more, it can donate electrons. So if the availability of lone pair on the atom is more, then basic character also more. So different way you can explain. But this thing remember, if the atom or group having more electron density, then it can attract H plus ion strongly. So basic character will be more, because the substance which accept H plus ion is called also base. For example, basic character for CH3NH2, this is methylamine and this is your ammonia. If you see methylamine, what happens? It has plus effect. Methylamine has plus effect. This is your plus effect. As plus effect means it supply electron towards nitrogen. So nitrogen electron density increases compared to NH3. That's why this is primary amine. Primary amine is more basic than ammonia. Due to which effect? Due to plus effect. If plus effect is more, electron density, because they supply electrons, so plus effect more means your basic character is more. And your this is aniline. Aniline is less basic than ammonia. Why? It has minus effect. Already I have told you it has minus effect. That's why in compared to ammonia, NH3, in compare this ammonia, that is NH3, aniline is less basic because the electron density from nitrogen taken by phenyl group, because generally phenyl group considers a minus effect. As it has minus effect, it removes electron from the nitrogen. That's why electron density from nitrogen decreases. That's why basic character decreases. Because already we discussed which group is what type of effect, whether plus effect or minus effect, already we have discussed. Then if you discuss this, that aniline, this is your aniline and this is that is 4-methyl aniline, and this if you compare, it has plus effect. It has plus effect, and if you compare this difference, what is the difference? Here it has plus effect, but it has no plus effect or minus effect. Only plus effect is more. That's why plus effect more means this compound is more basic. So this basic character is more, because methyl group supply electron towards the ring. As it has plus effect means electron density on nitrogen will be more. So basic character is more. So this is the comparison between aniline and ammonia, aniline, and also you can take compare with also aliphatic amine. Minus effect, if you see, basic character regarding minus effect. For example, you can take this. This is your aniline. Then another one you can take. This is your aniline having nitro group. As it has minus effect, nitroaniline, as it has minus effect, so electron density on nitrogen will decrease due to minus effect, because it withdraw electrons. As a nitrogen minus effect, it withdraw the electron from amino group. That's why the basic character is less. So aniline is more basic than nitroaniline. So these are the plus effect and minus effect character. But one thing remember that here the conclusion is, in case of basic nature, that is when there is a plus effect, basic character is more. When there is a minus effect, basic character is less. So you can write this conclusion: electron donating group. Electron donating group means that is plus effect. Electron donating group increases the basic nature. basic nature, and electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing group. Electron withdrawing means minus I effect. Minus I effect that decreases the basic nature. So these two are very important: electron donating group and electron withdrawing group. Here, plus I effect decreases acidic nature means that we can say it is electron donating group. Electron donating group decreases acidic nature, and minus I effect means electron withdrawing group, that is EWG. Electron withdrawing group increases acidic character, and electron withdrawing group decreases basic. If you remember any one, then others just opposite. If you are comparing acidic character, basic character will be just opposite. So don't be confused. Only you have to remember what is the effect of plus I character, plus I effect on basic character, on acidic character. If you remember, suppose electron donating group increases basic character, but electron donating group decreases acidic character. Just opposite. Next application is stability of carbocation. Carbocation, or it is called carbonium. Carbonium ion. Carbonium ion or carbocation, both are called. Its stability generally, that if it is tertiary, carbocation, this is called tertiary. This is called secondary carbocation. Okay, this is secondary. Then primary. There is free carbocation. Here you see, as methyl group stability, why the carbocation, if you see, tertiary is more stable, then secondary, then primary, then free methyl group. Why the stability of this tertiary group is more? Because here methyl group has plus I effect. Already know this is plus I effect. Plus I effect is more. As the plus I effect is more, then stability, that is the positive charge on carbon, will be less. Because we know if the atom is neutral, stability increases. If the atom carry positive charge or negative charge, the stability decreases. It may be positive, it may be negative, but stability is less, because every atom wants to remain in neutral form. That's why tertiary carbocation is more stable, because the carbocation carrying positive charge will be stabilized by supplying electron from methyl group. All are plus I effect. They are pushing electron towards carbon plus. So stability, that is, so carbon plus will be less positive charge. That's why stability is more. So compared to secondary, it is more stable. Then secondary, the number of inductive effect, plus I effect is less. Here plus I effect, 3 plus I effect, here 2 plus I effect, here how many? It is here 1 plus I effect. That is 1 plus I effect. That's why it is, what happens? It is less stable compared to secondary. Then it has no carbocation. So this is the stability of carbocation. Price tertiary is more stable than secondary. Then primary, it is 1 plus I effect, and it has 2 plus I effect. That's why stability of tertiary is more. Similarly, stability of carbanium. Carbonium means carbon carrying positive charge. That is called carbonium. We will discuss regarding the formation of carbocation, carbanium ion in the next class. So stability of carbanium, that is carbon carrying negative charge. Here stability, as it carry negative charge, so atom has tendency to decrease its negative charge. So automatically this minus charge, single minus, and primary carbocation, this is your secondary carbocation, and this is your tertiary carbocation. So this is primary carbanium, this is also primary, this is free, and this is secondary carbanium, this is tertiary carbanium. But as carbon carrying negative charge, so it has tendency to decrease its negative charge. But if you see in the tertiary case, as methyl group, they are plus I effect, so 3 plus I effect. So they are supplying electron towards carbon. So carbon already has negative charge. Then again the electron is shifting towards carbon, means the negative charge on the carbon increasing. That's why the stability decreases, because every atom has tendency to decrease its charge. As negative charge is just opposite, it is instead of decreasing, it is increasing towards the carbon. That's why stability is least. Secondary, only 2 plus I effect. That is 2, and your primary had only 1 plus I effect, and it has no. As it has 1 plus I effect, so less electron is supplied towards carbon minus. Here 2 groups supplying electron towards carbon minus. Here 3 groups supplying electron towards carbon minus, means the negative charge on carbon increasing. That's why primary is more first methyl, then primary, then secondary, then tertiary. This is just opposite of carbocation stability. This is carbanion stability on the basis of inductive effect. That means conclusion, carbocation will be more stable. Conclusion is more plus I effect, more will be the stability of carbocation. Then another thing is more will be the minus I effect. More will be the minus I effect. More will be the stability of carbanion. For examples, already I have told you, CS3 minus, this stability, and ClCS2 minus. You see the stability. If you compare, this stability is less. The methyl carbanion is less stable than which one? Chloromethyl carbanion, because it has minus effect. So due to the minus effect, this is minus effect. Due to minus effect, the negative charge is shifting away from carbon. Due to minus, that's why stability is more. So methyl is less stable than chloromethyl. But methyl is more stable than ethyl, because ethyl has plus effect. So plus effect will increase the stability of carbocation, but more minus effect, the stability of carbanion is more. Just opposite. More plus effect, more stability of carbocation. More plus effect, less is the stability of carbanion. More is the minus effect, more is the stability of carbanion. But more is the minus effect, less will be the stability of carbocation. Just opposite. If you remember any one, you can write the other, just changing the concept in opposite way. So methyl carbanion is more stable than ethyl, because ethyl has plus effect. So plus effect means this is plus effect. Plus effect means stability of carbanion will be less, but minus effect means stability will be more. So we can do these things. Suppose this carbanion, if you see, this carbanion is more stable than methyl carbanion, because phenyl is benzyl carbanion has minus, this is a minus effect, but this is your plus effect. Already we have discussed. Plus effect means stability will be less for carbanion, but minus effect means stability will be more in case of carbanion. So this is regarding what? Stability of carbanion having benzyl carbanion, here methyl carbanion, ethyl carbanion. If you compare, this is more stable because it has minus effect. So this is regarding the stability of carbocation and carbanion using what? Inductive effect. Okay. Thank you.